try and learn Sisupala Asana. Now this is another asana that you can learn or practice to strengthen the inner thighs and leg. Okay, so from Sukhasana, come into Dandasana. Remember, I said this is the starting posture for all of your sitting asanas. Very good. So from Dandasana, you're going to fold your right leg. Make sure that you're bringing the right foot in between the left elbow and your right knee is in your right elbow. So this is how you're going to hold the lower leg, right leg, in between both the elbows like it is a baby. With your spine erect, with a nice beautiful smile, try and take deep inhalations and exhalations. So for the Sisupala Asana, a slight variation, people who are not able to interlock both the hands, Lakshmi. So when you take the leg, if you are not able to bring both the hands together, you can hold it like she held the left hand near the knee joint and the right hand near the ankle or the foot. This can also be done. You still try and make sure that your spine is erect. Try not to hunch when you're doing this asana. You can still be able to keep the spine straight and still do the asana perfectly. So this is Sisupala Asana. Now there are some variations. People who are not able to hold this posture for a long time can start swinging the leg. Take it as far as you can. Very good. Alright, very good. Relax. So this is how Sisupala Asana has to be done. Okay, you can slowly relax the leg. And while you continue doing it on the other side, let me talk about some of the benefits of this asana. Now, this asana helps in stretching and enhancing the strength of the groin and the inner thigh muscles. It also works on the internal glands, like for women, the reproductive glands, and for men, the reproductive glands like the prostate gland. It works with these glands in enhancing the strength or the working of these glands. It also makes sure that your spine is erect and starts strengthening the lower back muscles. Relax, Lakshmi. Okay. What is important is when you are not rocking the baby, you stay in the asana and make sure that your leg, the lower leg, is placed very close to your chest, and you will feel a very nice stretch at the groin muscles, which is very, very good. And try and be there in that posture while you take 3 to 5 Ujjayi breaths. Now, the contraindications are people, if they have any sort of pain in the arm or in the elbow joint, or if they have certain pain in the leg, because of which they are not able to hold the leg, they might not be able to do. What they can do, Lakshmi, is they hold the leg at the foot or ankle and at the knee joint instead of interlocking both the hands. This position can also be assumed. Okay, so start practicing this asana. Hold it the right way with both your. Very good. Now here you should try and take the leg as close as possible to the chest. This will come eventually. You might not be able to do it on day one, but as the muscles in the thigh and the hip region stretch, this posture will become very, very easy.